What up, y'all? So today what I'm gonna do is change my spark plugs and my spark plug wires on my 97 sedan. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna be using today is a 5/8 socket, from Craftsman's, my Stanley 3/8 wrench, and 3/8 extension from Stanley as well. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is pull out the spark plug wires. Just pull them off like that, and make sure I ain't messing them up because they go to the distributor, which is the firing pattern. And yeah, just put it in there, start turning it lefty loosey, righty tighty. I already pulled out these two, and now I'm gonna do this one. Alright, so now I'm just going to grab my spark plugs, V Power NGK. I'm just going to throw them in the hose. Like so. Grab my socket and just hand tighten it for a little bit. Alright, now that the plugs are in there, I'm just going to give it another hand tight turn with the socket wrench. I don't like to put it too tight, but as y'all saw from me removing it, the last person put it in too tight. Cool. Now we're going to do the spark plug wires. Now earlier I said don't get these all mixed up and everything like that because they lead here and they have to be correct. So the shortest one right here, if you follow it, will be 1. Then the second one, if you follow it right here, 2. And then 3 down here and 4 up top. So what I like to do is just take them off and replace them one by one. That way I don't lose my place or mess anything up. So the shortest one's going to be the first one right here. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe, but I always go left to right because that's how you read anyway. So shortest one first. Alrighty. Boom. Bam. Brand new key. Except for this. Alright, so that's it for today. Just a quick and easy how to change your spark plugs and spark plug wires. Just in case you need to. Peace.